Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorial of JoJo and Bizzaire adventure of Cypher September CodeChef challenge. This is the current challenge going on. So this question is pretty simple. So JoJo sets on a bear, Bizzaire adventure and all that story. So your main task is you're given a string and you need to find the shortest substring which contains all the unique characters of the string. So and then you need to print out the alphabetical ordering of the substring. That means you just need to print the corresponding numbers of the letters. So this is quite an easy question. As you can see that the length of the string is 10⁶. You need to fulfill the you need to do the program in a time complexity of on or maximum of on log n. On is preferable. So let me show you my solution and walk you through the code of how does it work. So basically what do I do is, suppose I have a string AI which is A1, A2, A3, A4 till AN. Okay, so I first found the unique characters in A and stored them in a map. So the map stores the number of occurrences of A if there are any. If it's 0, the map doesn't store anything regarding A. Okay, so by the unique dot size we get the number of unique characters in the string. Next, if the number of unique characters is only 1, then we can just print the ASCII character of the first and we are done. Otherwise, we keep a variable start, insert it into current, we keep a variable end, and we keep a map of current. So the current keeps the count of the number of occurrences of the characters currently in the string. So we at each occurrence we put the second, that is the jth character, into current. If the current size is equal to unique, then we calculate the length of the substring and store it in minimum length and the corresponding start and end. Otherwise, if it is not, we increase j with 1, j++. Now we need to check if we insert this in the map. Now we check if the first character is equal to the third character. That means if this was A, B, A. So as we inserted A, we don't need this A. So we check if this is equal to A and we remove it. Next we check if B is also present in the substring. If it is there, we remove it. But here, as it is not, we keep B. Next we keep iterating till we find the minimum length. So I guess you got the point. Now let us move on to see the code. So as you can see, this is the code. We first check the number of test cases, then we take the string. We keep a variable n for s.length. So next we keep variables I for iteration. J also is there somewhere. J is for iteration. Start for the final answer's start point and end for the final answer's end point, and the minimum length, which is the minimum length of the substring. Next we keep a variable count unique. Oh, I guess it's never used. Never mind that. We take a map unique. Then we iterate on the string, and if unique of s of I equal to 0, that means that this character is not present in the unique map. Then we put this character in the map. Now we take a variable map current, which keeps the current characters in the substring. We start from 0, j equals 1. If the number of unique characters in the substring is only 1, then we just print the first character, which is the only thing, and we continue. Otherwise we put the first character in current. We initialize j to 1 until I and j both are less than the n, that is the length of the string. We put the jth character into the string and we start from the ith character, that is the start of our substring. If that character is already present in our substring, that means it's greater than 1. That means we can remove this character and still it would have an occurrence in our substring. We remove it. We remove it from the map and we remove it from the substring by incrementing I. Now finally, if current.size is equal to unique.size, that means the number of unique characters in our current substring is equal to the number of unique characters in the total string, and the current substring's length is less than the minimum length of the substring. We change start to I and end to j and the minimum length to j minus I plus 1. Then we increment j, and this goes on and this loop is continued till the end of the string is reached. Now we take I equals to start and then we print the substring till its end plus 1. And as you can see, this passes all the test cases. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can leave them in the comment section. So please do like, share and subscribe and keep coming back for more such tutorials. Thank you so much.